Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove picture from Canvas course as a student. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So as a student on Canvas, you cannot directly remove or change the course picture or course banner. The course picture or banner is set by the instructor or the course administrator, and only they have the ability to modify or remove it. Here's a couple of things that you can do is hide the course pictures from your workaround. First, head over and open up your Canvas app and then log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, here on your dashboard, what you can do is move the course card. You can move the course card to a different position on your dashboard so it's not as prominent. This way it is not visible in your main view. To do this, click and drag the course card to a different location and your dashboard. Use list view. If you want to hide course images, switch to the list view or text only list view of assignments and courses in the dashboard. To do this, click on list view button. It looks like a list of 3 lines on the dashboard. To view your assignments and courses without seeing the course images, ask the instructor. If you strongly feel that the course image should be removed or if it's distracting, you can politely reach out to the instructor and ask them to change or remove the course image. You can suggest a plain background or a different image that suits the course theme better. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.